already gave you the time and the place, so don't be shy. Can't be the man. Hi there, welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play the piano accompaniment chords part to Men I Need by Olivia Dean. I'll sing occasionally just to act as a reference point, but I've left in the description where you can find the full chords and lyrics. So let's dive in. This one is in the key of D flat major. So on the screen now are all the notes of the scale of D flat major. So these are the notes we are working with. Here is middle C as a reference point. I'll teach both hands at the same time. So the left hand is blue and the right hand is orange on the screen there. So the intro, the first chord is a D flat add 2 with an F in the bass. So there's an F in the left hand, the right hand we're going to play A flat, D flat and E flat. So we're going to press that once. And then we're going to play that again, but we're going to take away the E flat and just play A flat and D flat. So it's like staccato, hold. And then we have a G flat add 2. So G flat in the left hand, in the right hand that's A flat, B flat and D flat. And we do this chord progression for the intro twice. And that's it for the intro. So now on to the verse. So it's incredibly similar to that. It's based around the same sort of chords. So we have D flat in the right hand over F again. So the right hand this time we're going to play first inversion of D flat major. So that's F, A flat and D flat, and F in the left hand. I'm going to play that twice. And then G flat add 2. So G flat in the left hand, then in the right hand that's G flat, A flat, B flat, D flat. And we do this 8 times. Looks like we're making up for lost time. I need you to spell it out for me. Busting over all night. It's like a type of alchemy. Introduce me to your best friend. I can come slot right in. A satellite in that far. I kinda wonder where you are. And now into the pre-chorus. So really this is the only bit of the song that's different, and the rest of it is pretty much what we've just played. So we have a B flat minor chord. So B flat in the left hand. In the right hand we're going to play F, B flat and D flat. Already know I can leave it alone. So after the B flat minor chord we have D flat major. So like we've played it before, so we just play that once. And then the next chord is A flat major over C. So a C in the left hand. In the right hand we're going to play E flat, A flat and C. So we have D flat. You can play octaves if you want to as well. Gives it a bit more depth. And then we're going to play G flat major without the add 2 this time. So G flat in the left hand, the right hand is G flat, B flat, D flat. I'm going to play that once. And then the right hand comes up and plays. So it's a full, if you can stretch it, full G flat major chord. So G flat, B flat, D flat, G flat. If you can't stretch that, try just playing, missing out the bottom G flats, and play B flat, D flat and G flat. And then we have D flat major, first inversions, that's F, A flat, D flat, F. Again, if you can't stretch that, miss out the bottom note and play A flat, D flat and F instead. So we play the G flat major chord first, and then up here, and then play it again. And then we repeat all of that again. So from the B flat minor, 2, 3, 4. So that's the pre-chorus. Already know I can't leave you alone. You're on my mind. Already gave you the time and the place, so don't be shy. Come and be the man I need. And then for the chorus, we play the D flat over F into the G flat add 2 9 times. Come and be the man I need. Tell me you got something to give I wanted. I kinda like it when you call me wonderful. Whatever type of talk it is, come on then. I gotta know that you're meant to be the man I need. Talk to me, talk to me, talk to me, talk to me. Be the man that I need, baby. Talk to me, talk to me. Be the man that I need, need. Talk to me, talk to me. Be the man that I need, baby. Talk to me, talk to me. Be the man, man. So the second verse is half as long as the first verse, so we just go through that chord progression 4 times. I like to think you feel the same way, but I can't tell with you sometimes. So baby, let's get on the same page. Stop making me read between the lines. And then into the pre-chorus, same as before. Already know I can't leave it alone. You're on my mind. Already gave you the time and the place, so don't be shy. Come to be the man I need. And then we're into the chorus again. We're going to play that chord progression through 10 times. And then another 4 times for the outro. Tell me you got something to give I wanted. I kinda like it when you call me wonderful. Whatever the type of talk it is, come on then. I gotta know you're meant to be the man I need. Talk to me, 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 talk to me. Be the man that I need, baby. Talk to me, talk to me. Be the man that I need, need. Talk to me, talk to me. Be the man that I need, baby. Talk to me, talk to me. Be the man, man. If you wanted to add some of the bass part in, it alternates. We play the D flat over F. So we have A flat, B flat, D flat, and then we do that chord progression again. Then it alternates between A flat, B flat, and E flat. So it alternates between. So you can add some of that in if you want to. That's the end of this video. If you have a request, please leave them in the comment section of this video. Also remember to like and subscribe. I've left some videos here you might like, so go and check those out. I also have a course, so if you would like to learn how to read music from scratch, go visit Bitesize Piano Course.co.uk. You can enroll and start learning. I'll see you in the next video.